Hello everyone, welcome to the world of scouting tips. I am Matthew Ewan, and this is my little brother Jonathan Ewan. Third degree Bear Scout right here. So him and I are going to teach you how to make fire starters. Okay, so today what we're going to do is I have the grill out, and I have a pot, and I'll put some candles in here, and I'll melt it down, and I'll show you why. Because after that, we're going to put some sawdust, and put it in an egg carton, put it in there and be good to go, right? Okay, so let's get this started up, Jay. Okay. There we go. So now we have our stove on. We're gonna put our stuff in here, and my Boy Scout troop, we made these all the time, guys, so it's really cool. I like doing it. We do this for the Cub Scouts all the time. So what we do is we put our little wax in here, and we melt it down in there, so that's always fun. So sounds good. So we're just gonna wait for that to melt down, and then Jonathan and I, we're gonna put some sawdust in here, and then when it gets hot, we're gonna pour it in there, right?
Okay.
Sounds good? All right, cool. See that we're melting the wax right here, and that's where I'm using some chopsticks to stir it around. All right, and my lovely little brother is gonna start putting some sawdust into the egg cartons right here. So you guys got tons of egg cartons, so you're just gonna put some sawdust in here. All right, put some sawdust. All right, then you're just gonna grab some sawdust, just like that. When I grab some, just go like whoop. Whoop, whoop. Okay, just go whoop. Just like that, buddy. Okay. Jonathan, so now that we have the sawdust in here, now we're gonna pour the wax in there. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, be careful, bud. It's hot. Okay.
Okay.
So now that it's all liquefied, now. It's okay. Okay. Now all we do is let it sit. So now it should be working just fine. Okay. So now that we have our sawdust, put it in there. See, look at that, Jay. Now once we let it cool, it should be a good fire starter now. Okay, guys? And sometimes if you want a little scent on it, have a little smelly, good firefighter, you know, JJ? If you want your candle to smell, your wax,
yeah,
you can have a smelly firefighter, or fire. So, alright guys, so there we go. So it's starting to cool down. I got the wax in there, so it should be a good starter now. Anything else you want to say, Jay? Any tips?
don't burn yourself.
Yeah, so don't burn yourself. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe. I have an Instagram, Scouting for Tips. So, please enjoy. Hope you like it. Thank you, and have a good happy holidays.